Make it step in. Remember, in that nice. More watch it from the blood clot other day. No, when they let me talk about say you're gonna jail. You know, when me concerned and a blood clot, trouble me here talk about it from blood. A blood clot strawberry. I want it for them to eat strawberry. I go like you don't eat strawberry. Me not have none in my fridge because me da bite one right now. Me show you blood clot and strawberry. Yeah. A strawberry. So what's me no remember the difference. What cherry strawberry?
So
me no know
I said that's why.
I like. Me no know. So we are talk about that night. No way your blood clots are we are do come in run fuck for free joke. Exchange is no robbery, but some things are robbery. Some of them is robbery.
So what Mumzel?
Some of them is robbery. Some of them is blood clot robbery.
So basically you have to lava fuck would have been like robbery.
No, some of them is robbery because
no, lava fuck me a talk about, man.
No, and a lava fuck me never get the real solid money in my hand. When me for pay out, me not try to come out for pay out.
What did I say?
Let's say so me must see that go look a swap for the fucker.
No. Laugh and now come that kind of things you gotta take a fuck for them for the play. That me say.
Yeah, but I see him way and a lava really I see him way it said not nice. Remember that
same way.
Where people clap where they said not nice.
No, Mumzel, what I know?
Me not have no patience when it come on to you right now.
Mumzel say me bumper clock nice man. Hey boy, where you hear me Mumzel attack, shut the fuck up.
Right. Yeah, not nice. Talk the things them when me normally give away. Me I not eat that for the side give away. Me I go take. But when you go tell me if you do a swap, why me I go do swap for $400, $500, $600? Yeah, man, them time the lava never that charge $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. Now you might do it because I'm a buzz nation right now and I'm a buzz. I'm proud of him. But don't do it not nice. Don't blood clot. Do it. Me not run certain jokes. Laugh.
Hey, guys, stop your blood clot nice.
Move your blood clot not nice. Move your blood clot. Not nice, and my fault make you really want to fuck ling, you know. That's me sure say if blood clot, word that they get the $300, you really go fuck blood clot ling. Move your blood clot, cause you go like say you want to higher than blood clot.
Drunk win.
More than ling and my body. Move from right so. You're bright.
Alright, Mumzel. Today our Monday, I'm still away for the $1,000 drunk.
$1,000 not nice. Me never promise you no $1,000. Anything when me promise me give. Me promise you some hard work when me put in and me say me I go blood clot give. When me sweat for, me say me I go give. And me say me no mind for Anya. But right now, you need to come on the life the right way now and say respect. Put respect.
Sorry.
No, put respect.
No, sorry, blood clot.
Yeah, I just said that.
Lava.
Okay, let's see.
As much as she's a drunker, she's a boss drunker.
Okay.
And me can't say that. She's a drunker.
Yeah.
Lava, let me tell you something. Mumzel can't, because me is our savior. From killer to president, me our savior. So she can't ramp with me. That drunker, they are my drunker. Straight up.
You know, me I go take it because you are my brother. From another mother.
So I ask a question. Mumzel, what time you walk and talk, who you rate more?
No, to be honest, Walk Contact was a younger you who used to look out for me, look for my car, watch my car, make sure it good. Me and Not Nice used to run street, road.
Okay.
So it's different levels. But I respect the fact Walk Contact never stop.
Sacrifice and airport and general par are two different things. You see me?
No, we
so
not
general par and sorry for two different things. You know what
sorry for coming
no, sorry for not in it. It's a little youth, to be honest, where he make sure say he use a secure thing. Right now, him step up in a big league. And I respect that. Maybe check out. This year, where Walk Contact in a real life. Enough man, I have to wait till them reaching them 30s. Walk Contact is a young youth who buy him own a local vehicle from him about 19, 20. Enough big man couldn't do it. Enough big old guy will walk and foot down the place couldn't do it, Lava. So yes, we have to put respect on the legend Walk Contact.
Okay.
Alright, Lava, hear me Zin. You know why we really give Walk Contact a space and make him do him more though? Alright, so youth in the streets where sell him chocolate, wash car, look for the vehicle, and then come and know, no, Lava, really talk man. Then now, him own car, have him own little apartment, him have him own little label, him a try. You have to rate a youth like that, Lava.
Alright, when time you're 19, Not Nice, you never own a car for yourself, don't it?
My 19 just come from prison, Mumzel. Remember that?
All right, there's a difference now here with walk and talk. When me 18, me own my own car, my first car. My father come license me from insurance license.
The green car.
The green car. You know,
right.
From me 18, my buy, 17, but my 18th birthday, my father do that for me. Me save and pay my own Robin. No, my partner. Not night. Walk, lava. Not night. When you're 19, lava, you didn't own a car?
No.
All right.
No.
Walk and talk did that. Whether him want and wash people car, who him want
to give him that
shoes,
prep,
we have to give him. Why like him can chat to me certain way. Respect is due. Not nice and me a different segment now. So I just the truth. Enough people not own it because some of them and mama have to buy and father have to buy and then go fuck 2 old sugar daddy or some boy have to walk and so pussy feet not lava. I know. Enough of them young boy are pretty and them
Listen, hold on there.
nothing wrong.
Alright, commercial break.
Yeah.
Born for the Vice Cartel new album.
August 6, right?
Yeah. Pre-order July 30th out August 6. Born for this.
See, remember the date? August 6. Alright, that's up.
August 6 out August 6. Pre-order it. The 30th. Vice Cartel new album. Born for this.
We're show killer album.
Commercial break. Well, I know commercial break.
Killer album.
Big up Bounty Killer. The new album. Yeah. Mama X-Man. Yeah. That's a
killer album.
Not nice. I just show a cartel album and I talk. I interrupt me. I killer album. After talk about killer album to Not Nice.
Yeah, talk about it, Lava. Commercial break.
Yeah, what's wrong?
I know Lava.
Remember, Lava. There's a reason why. There's a reason why we don't get the fucking something that show you.
Because
me now and
that's telling the truth. What God love.
If I go to fully guys out, me not to foot. You see me?
I said already, Lava. Him block me from Instagram and him block me phone number. I say no what happened.
Ooh.
You ask me to get the dub. Me not afraid for talk. Bounty block me 2 ways. Nothing wrong. Me not afraid. No embarrassment. Not the panic. When me and him there with the good and strong and firm. And me get when me forget and him get when forget and I just the truth I will go separate ways. But I will reach out to him, Lava. If Not Nice now, go reach out to him. Right nice kind of. Cause Not Nice only want him August dub.
No, it's you. No.
Okay. Actually, him want the August dub, so him a go all out and him not go really go cause yeah, what with killer now. Him a say, yo, are you one? My youth, I want to you know, and him a go wild him up. Him a go wild him up. I just the truth.
Yeah, sell out.
I don't sell out, my brother. We just start the truth. Run while they can. I just saw you show name tonight. Chat off of a buzz. Remember?
No, run while they can. Yeah.
Mumzel, real that.
Nicki Minaj come over here now. My sorry, so she never say Mumzel. Me think she should have said Akeem name and Word Dog name and Not Nice. But Lava, I never give no buzz. Like not me. Me barely come from the show. But one question I want to ask you, Lava. When Nicki Minaj said she love she watching YouTube and she like the old cursing and the old this, even though you're Nicki Minaj cheerleader, I like that. Because I love how she come by here, she will give a buzz there. Yes, they never scream like how some people scream for some artists and never come around it. Yeah. But when I say, when she says she like the cursing and she watch everything, why you could ask her who our favorite chat and laugh, make she get, you know, Word Dog, look up buzz or Nicki Black.
No, because him want that kind of
whole life for yourself. I don't know. I you just get stars.
Go back and watch a show. It was not about who it. As long as she said, I would give him credit card.
I don't know. As long as she
debit card. As long as she said to watch a show and sometimes you miss it and to go over there, but you don't know. There are a lot of things we don't want to ask her about. You have to understand this. First time over here, but you don't want to show so much honor.
Alright, so tell the truth, you never get starstruck. Like
yes, I was.
Oh,
yes.
You see, no, I understand. So Word Dog, Not Nice, Pretty Dan, Nicki Black, Jack 6, with that one named Spice Backup Dancer, Chubby, the one of them, no Bex with Lava, and they get starstruck. So what?
Yeah, but I know to react.
Yeah, I react good.
Remember, be honest. Remember, in the day, that's Nicki Minaj. Mm-hmm. And she take out our time, and stop over here and heal you up.
And
remember,
time is money. We could even buy one of them dear expensive bag that's a chat and laugh of a beer for chat and laugh family. We are send a bag here come here. Not Lava, you look like you have that money there still.
Look at the social. 140 million people are following.
Yo,
still.
That's true.
Listen.
That's true.
140 million are following. Listen up, and she follow 516.
Are you that 500?
And me a 500. So it's like.
I true Lava. I not say no, but me did just expect she give a sukwar.
You can't expect no.
You me expect that. Who are your favorite? But I just at the time.
Mumzel, what are not? For the fact that Lava.
But you look at soup. Listen, I understand. Listen. And I say you rush things at times. Wait a little bit more now. Two she could have pop up and give her a good interview. Come on now.
Actually.
Remember first you know like first and then I comment.
Remember now, you could have come over here and they will start asking her even if a question, she'll be like, what the fuck I'm coming? What I really at this life for? You understand me? So and that's how you do things. You have to just take your time.
Actual. Me not say no, but me know me still. Right.
Me, thank you very much. You know the road. Me still feel you have more time you have humble. Me still feel good for no say that no. Me is a part of Gaza when no say cartel. You understand me? The camp itself. Because
but you could have put a look Mumzel say Gully God to you know say
Yo, dog, cool man. I want Mumzel. See, that's some of the black car now. Because she always come with her fuck every time. What you do that for? What the fuck all that reaching right that's all.
But Lava, I've done to Gully God to
dumb. Listen, don't make me have not right that's all. Different cars.
Remember old times.
What is it?
Not nice. Remember old times.
How much disrespect we get, how much time we get for them.
Right, no, you know what happened? When enough people don't understand, I love them. I go teach enough people certain things.
And them over, I know them over Jamil. What I do? Nobody with that. Just
not nice. So my timing and not nice. Not nice. It's your mouth.
All right, you know Lava. Lava because Gaza. No, Lava. That's low, no better.
Yeah. All right, Lava.
All right, yeah, Gaza.
Not nice.
Yeah,
not
Gaza.
Nice. Want to see life different, not nice. See life different in the sense of one man. How much one man can do. Sometimes if some man no mean in a real life and no for all out and say no, him himself will drop buffer ground,
That's why sometimes I'm sorry for killer.
Alright, and me say the same thing.
Sometimes I'm sorry for killer. Because killer do so much and I get no credit and no respect.
Not nice, all I know. Remember when me not really know zeros when you see the artist booking zeros. But when you check a state now, one man, like for example, Bounty Killer, him go 6 party in a one night. 100 people have come to him and I tell him say them pick me this, them pick me that. 100 man friend with him have, I tell him say boy brother, I want to do this come here, I own a family and to take care of him, I try to do this and I do that. And 100 bitches with him and fuck want this and want that like a siren and him do all. But nobody can really turn on. Me reach out. Me maybe just be one of the face to reckless mode, so him just say fuck she. Which nothing wrong, me not afraid. Me take the fuck she. You understand what me I say? But you have to understand in our life if how much thing one man can do. Take this. Take the money aside from Gully God. And put a man say him just start doing things alright, but him is a friend. Oh, his reasonability is it is great. Get the fucking shit where we are look for help. We don't need help from some people. Some people come in a different format. Alright, you know what they used to do me a give a Wednesday? Lava. They used to come to me and give a Wednesday and tell me, say, them pick me one this and then pick me one that because I'm weak when me hear about pitney and maybe because I have no pitney. And when them do that to me, Lava, my free-handed stuff. And then see them one turn on and laugh after me and say, I have to do and go to Mumzel with pitney this, So we have to consider other people's hands.
All right. Lava. I'm going to say something on Mumzel. Sometimes, everything have a reason. And remember now, me not talking as a fan. me attack as a family where in the business and I meet with certain groundwork with certain man and do certain things. So me who feels it knows it. So I understand what people that say, but lava, you for know this, brother. Remember from 2006 when I come here. I said, not nice. Get that link for me, I get that I'm not alive or hold on. I will make certain remember say a man is put in the groundwork. You see me? And I make shit happen now. Footer got jail, one bag of something, brother. So you have to understand that everybody have feelings to mama. You see me? So when we say yo, we lock off that part, we just lock off that part and also we have focus on that part. You see me? So that's why when you say that now, I kind of piss because more than people say, yo, dog, you feel very I say, dog, I don't want to hear it because it bring back memories and people have feelings. You see me? So you want to stay focused and know the good. Because see, as much as cartel and killing never good, I used to ever show them because I say, not nice, if I have this, if I have that. I kill and show you for this and show you for that. When cartel say, I forget bike, I get bike, I'm going to get car, I'm going to get things.
But so cartel never do nothing for me, but me still...
No, and I said, do not feel Mumzel, and I do feel now.
Look here, not nice, because when me I try to say, differentiate certain things not nice. You know, so when me I try to build tax and say that them man only take the mic over cookies room.
Mumzel. Yeah, could have stopped, you know. We got like about 10 different topics. Because I'm not nice, I follow you follow not nice and a straight.
No, commercial break there. Commercial break.
Not nice. Did you know that I just added back on the live for food to crash it out? Because if we never add you, she finish early and everybody run gone with it.
Yeah, man.
This look early and...
No, I never this, sir.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, you did not nice. You did.
Oh, my dear.
Can't do more.
So that means lava there. Lava.
You did.
You're right, Mumzel, with this, because for somebody who don't know if look pussy, I should never say. For somebody who don't know forget look.
Okay.
Mumzel, my friend, I'm sorry. Mumzel. For somebody who don't know if look pussy, I should never say. Because lava don't know if look pussy, I should never say that.
Yeah, but I know that your lace will lift up. That's why you can't say for it now. Okay. When I head peel off. When you take off your lace wig, your ear peek out and tear out. That's why your ear start from the nigger right. It doesn't really matter. You need to put on a hat.
No, Lava, lift up your hat, sir.
You need to put on a hat.
Lava. You know you're not going to hear this. But not nice, you know, say I'm a friend, but you have a look of body head. You see 2 ears right
there. Lick more. Yo, Lava, lick more. Let's see.
2 ears right
I'm going with like
Lava, not nice, have a look of body head between them.
Bye.
Bye.
Everybody on the live, type body head not nice like it. Yeah, man, you name that by your fucker, you are body head. Yeah, man. Circle, man. Bug, lad. Blood club body head. Lad. Yo. Lad. Something good coming to Chat and Laugh. Yes. Chat and Laugh family. Something good coming to Chat and Laugh. I rather not say yet. Until I sign the paper. Okay? Yes. Something good coming to Chat and Laugh. So we got other Chat and Laugh people. Yeah. Something good coming to Chat and Laugh. But I rather not say as yet until the paper sign up. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Okay? Boss Nation. Okay? Yes. Yeah. For your Chat and Laugh anniversary, Sunday, August 29. Get your tickets right now. Click on the link in my bio. Click on the link in my bio. Chat and Laugh anniversary. Sunday, August 29. Sunday, August 29th, Chatter Laugh Anniversary, New York. Get your pre-sold tickets from now. Click on the link in my bio. Yes. And people experience too now. Me sit back a lot of times. Certain things I can post on my page. I can't rush people on my page. Because I used to put up only para get the people that fight out a road. In a video go around and get a going back at things. I put it on my page and Instagram used to delete it. But remember, a lot of people I watch my page and my page I get programmed now. So certain stuff, I'm not gonna do it. Get me a come from and I have to explain this to everybody over here. And you can spread the words too. No matter more time you say, I remember from chat and laugh, probably getting them feelings and then cussing. And them vex with me or what the case might be. You right there now gonna sit back and sum up everything like you have the man feelings or you have the girl feelings. Certain things, what I say, certain things, what when I be pushing nose in something like that. What time people are saying something like that? Some pushing nose in what they case in whatever case. Yeah, you end up and get the shit end of the stick. So no found whether I look shabby, I naive to certain things. I see all. Yeah. Like, I want to feel like, if you know what I said now, pretty down go up on her life to cost me, fuck off, love, on it fix me. And it's me, I'm pretty damn good. I'm a spree the rest of you. World dog go up on him live and cost me. And they were good. I'll just look and pray, you know. Nicky Blacks. And I'm just praying, you know. Remember, me not gonna pray Rika. Me not gonna pray Shine for you, or me not gonna pray Suku if we have a problem. And then want to bring a public. You say you are a blood clot fella and you are get the payments. Not them. End of the day, we are a family over here. Just remember that. See, no matter for a Buzz Nation, a Hex Gang, or what the case might be, at the end of the day, we are all family. Fuck up, me now, brother, come on, me and nobody gonna have a family. End of the day, anybody gonna brand you, they're gonna brand you over here. Suka fan chat and laugh. Such and such fan chat and laugh. Just remember that. Okay? Yes. Okay? So, Chat and Laugh Anniversary. Sunday, August 29th. New York. Okay? So, someone in a comment right now. Watch out for the most see me. I don't really pay attention to Uno. Because a lot of Uno in the comment section, Uno not support. You understand me? Uno don't support. I don't want to name Bro God right or so. I have a look thinking, you think, what you think about. You don't have a heart. The big producer. Lenematic Gaza people supposed to drop asleep, then we're gonna be on the back of feet, you know. Lenematic JB drop asleep with a rifle, you know. The man drop asleep with a rifle, you know, bro. Pussy club. Yes, I'll in there, you want to go with a bucket, a ice water with the ice and seal on it, and just dashing in face. Yeah. Baby, look more. No, hold on. Hold on.
Good night, everybody. Bubba, I don't want to just sit here like this.
I told you, hold on a minute, right?
But everybody's staring in my face, and I'm getting nervous.
Oh, you know everybody has seen your face. You see them
Because
and me alone, you see.
But I'm on live. But everybody's looking in my face. Good night, everybody. I hope everybody's well.
I'm gonna fix that person first.
Good night, Nikki, if you're still on here. It was nice seeing you. I love your vibes, Mama.
Alright then. That brother your name, Black Stars. You type and say. But what? Let me tell you what you say in type and say. Black Stars. Are you may come for?
Okay, bye, Lava. I'm going to come off.
Why don't stay there? Alright, come off then.
Okay, good night. Bye.
Right,
Thank you for adding me, though.
Alright.
Bye.
Later. Oh, him there again. See man. Suck your mother lava. You want people to spend money. Or you just at this everyone and everyone support you. Never this your fam, bro. Some of my heart. And no man can't fix me. See ya. You look tutti fruity right as well. I'm ask guys. I look right as well too. You say a man can't fix you. Look right as well. You're there on your site, you're there on your job. And look who you video first. Look here. You video the man body. See that? Look again. Look where you come up first. Look where your video go up on first. Look where you be and the man and watch your man body. See that? Sad case. Yeah, man. Okay? It's not the moment I can say to you. When you can start the video right there. Yeah? Come on. You just type some little things more time and you just want to be seen. So, we put in the center of attention right there so now if everybody see you. Yeah. You look a fruit cake. Yeah, man. Now, my business, man. You even know for deep people, man. Everything you jump about something, man. That's this and such that. For nobody not saying to you. You need that, man. Oh, yeah, man. Watch him. You need that. Yeah, man. So, go on. We never go black here. Yet. If you feel like you want to fight the argument or you forward you want to say back. I give you a chance to answer. Answer. Fucking look at too fruity. So right here, without telling for suck your mother. Yes. You may attack. Fuck you, like a tutti fruity. Fuck you, like a yes, man. That's what we don't have to tell people suck their mother for try right our people, man. Yo, Roger, go home. Go home, Roger. Fucking here, run while you can. Hello? Hello? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4.